Packaging distribution as a reseller distributor has changed significantly over the last few years because people are running out of warehouse storage space. They're giving over their own storage space to production processes, which is generating their money and their product. They don't want to have lots of empty packaging sat there gathering dust. Therefore, PurePac offer a whole warehouse packaging solution service where they can have ring-fenced stock there ready and waiting for them to call off exactly when they want it. If they've been caught short or they've had a new order come in that they wasn't anticipating, they don't have the packaging to fit it into, PurePac are there and can have whatever packaging they need the very next day. If they've got their own transport, they can even send their own vehicle in to collect on the same day. With PurePac, we're all about customer service. Customer service is king. We are about being flexible for our customers, ensuring that they get the supply of their products on time, exactly when they need it and require it.